Hi, Robert Kiefer with HydroHero, and we just wrapped up another crawl space in Millsboro, Delaware. And I have the customer down here, and we're going to flip the camera over in a second and get an actual testimonial of what the experience has really been like. Let's check it out after this. Okay, we have Karen Sage here, and Karen has just been through the entire encapsulation process, and I'll make another video walking you through that. But Karen, what has your experience been with hiring HydroHero?
This has been the smoothest process. You're investing a lot of money in a project like this. It made me very nervous prior to the actual day that the crew was to come. And not because of anything that HydroPro did, just because of the horror stories that you hear from people. This crew showed up on time when they were supposed to. They were very professional, they were very knowledgeable, and it was very clear from the start that they love the company that they work for. And nobody's telling me to say that. It was just very evident. I was involved in the process by coming down here, asking questions. They never once told me to go away. They never once didn't answer my questions, but they worked effectively and efficiently, and the entire week was just smooth sailing. I got my updates, and I never had to call for anything, and today's the finished product, and look, it's amazing.
And would you recommend us to your neighbors and family and friends?
Absolutely, I already have. I believe one person's already called and scheduled for an appointment, and I will continue to do that, because this has been an experience beyond belief.
And just how bad was the crawl space prior to us starting?
Well, as you know, this was probably the worst summer on record with rain and humidity. And I knew that this crawl space needed attention. I was just hoping to delay it for a year or more. Unfortunately, because of the high humidity and everything, I had insulation in here that was drooping down. It caused some of the air ducts for my new HVAC system to completely come out of these floor joists and just lay on the ground. So what was happening is a brand new HVAC system was sucking in mildewy air. And so when I saw that and I came down here, I knew that I had to contract this year. And I did, and HydroPro came out, and I did research on a lot of companies, and the videos that they show, they're accurate, because this is really what your final project is, and it is quite the transformation.
Would you say when you watch the videos before that the transformation almost looks fake because it's such a huge difference?
Yeah, I actually had to question, like, is this real? Is this just video production, editing, whatever? But no, this is now I know why it's white and clean. And I've seen actually another neighbor in this neighborhood who had a different company do his, and his flooring was just like a black pond liner, and it was all bunched up and everything. And look, and you could see how nice and level and everything that is down here.
Thank you so much for allowing us to earn your business, and have a wonderful day, and I hope you enjoy your new crawl space and your improved indoor air quality.